birthday talaga tayo. Dito kami.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Henson. I'm the planning section chief. Let's get started for today operational briefing for Rizal earthquake. Turn off your cell phone and keep our voice level down, please. And our objectives. Number one is contact SAR to the affected areas with the operational period and deployment of SAR teams by group. Number two, provide medical assistance to affected barangay within the operational period. Establish two medical group. Number three, clear debris and landslides along primary access route. Deploy 2 earth movers, 1 front loader, and 1 dump truck to main access route. Number 4, evacuate displaced families within the operational period. Establish evacuation center for at least 200 families. Deploy 1 police unit team and 2 relief teams to affected areas. Number 5, deliver food, clothing, and hygiene needs within the operational period. And number 6, restore lifeline in the affected areas within the operational period. For the current situation update, we have the Operations Section Chief, Sir John.
Thank you, sir. Okay. So, para iti agda mga sitwasyon tayo, kalpasan iti napasamak na Rizal earthquake niya. So, palubusan dakan, nangangi baga kada kayo iti sitwasyon tayo. So, atang iti reported nga sa pulong ng individual nga natay niya. Kaya nadamat pa lang iti dagdumapay nga hampay nga nasapulan. So, nga kasapulan tayo pa lang iti kandak iti search and rescue operation. And then, adaman din 200 families na na-evacuate, na isudagan at the evacuation center data. And then, adaman pa iti dadtong mga areas na kasapulan tayo palang iti clearing. So, nung kita tayo ulit yung mapa, iti parte iti bagatan, iso ti mas nakakaro na apektaran. Iso nga, dito tayo nga ag-focus. So, madamdama, ibagak iti kanyayo ibagak nagiti respective assignments yun, tapos iti kasta may ramit tayo dito operation nga kasapulan tayo nga ramit tayo.
For the weather forecast, Sir Ezra.
Thank you, sir. Anyway, the weather is fair for today, and we can do our retrieval of our search and retrieval operations and other things because the weather is actually 28 degrees with a wind blowing from 17 kilometers out from southwest. So, may God bless you all and may God bless us.
And for the assignment of operational assignment, Operations Section Chief, Sir John.
So again, kalpasan nga naman tayo iti sitwasyon. So, based tayo dito yung mapa, makita tayo dito yung area, iti parte iti bagatan. Dito iti tinakataro kayo nga affected areas. Iso nga dito yung kasapulan tayo pa lang biruan iti missing. Tarunan na iti parte dito yung eskwela. So, para iti search and rescue operation, para iti assignment, tinaka-assign ako, rescue operation, headed by Mr. Cocoloco. So, at iso na iti police superintendent, and then kadwa na iti police team, at tatlong ambulance na may deploy, may isang team iti volunteers, and then dapat lang services, service vehicle na may provide. And then para iti medical team, nga agyan iti evacuation center, and then dapat lang medical team nga mapan dito'y search and rescue operation. So at datuwa nga team tayo para iti medical nga idawalwan ni Dr. Ray Aranca. Okay? And then para iti road clearing. So iti road clearing tayo, iti partay iti akin laod. So ada iti kasapulan tayo nga i-clear dito yung area. So iti mangidaulo iti road clearing iso ni Engineer Richard Gayagay. And then para iti evacuation team nga iso iti makapo iti evacuation management dito yung evacuation areas tayo, evacuation center. So idauloan kanya tayo ni Ophelia Grace Addo. Yeah. And then iti para iti relief team. So adan iti identified nga families. So nga kasapulan tayo iti akarang tulong, yeah. So kasapulan tayo iti relief team. So the relief team tayo idauloan ni Mr. JV Taul. Okay? And then para iti panaka-restore iti lifeline utilities tayo, dahil tayo iti rapid emergency communication team. So isuda ako iti mangidaulo ni Mr. George Makiber. So namakita tayo niya at 6 teams nga na-assign para iti nadumado mga assignments tapos iti kastagad na kaklaro yeah? Kapipintas iti operation tayo. So with that, iti deployment time tayo, iti 600 hours. So may deploy tayo para iti respective areas nga na-assign. And then to follow to the dumabay nga concern. Okay? So thank you.
Thank you, Sir John. Next is safety officer for our safety briefing. Sir Alvin.
Hello, good morning everyone. We are operating in an earthquake-affected area with unstable structures, loose ground, and falling debris hazards. All responders must wear PPE, maintain safe distance from damaged structures, and watch out for live wires kung ano and open manholes. At dapat nga stay hydrated tayo, use the body system, and maintain situational awareness at all time. In case aftershocks, remember to duck, cover, and hold, and report hazards immediately to the safety first in all operations. God bless us all within our ship. Thank you very much.
And for our logistical concern, we have here our logistic chief, Ma'am Soledad.
For the logistics to be used in this incident, may I remind you to please make the proper request to be approved by the incident commander for proper monitoring and accounting. Foods and medical kits are available at the incident command post. Thank you.
And we have also our financial, for the financial concern, we have also here our financial chief, Christina.
So good afternoon, responders. So I'll be the one who's in charge of tracking incident costs and financial status. So responders, please log in and log out after the operation. If there are any reimbursement purposes, please keep your receipt and turn over it to me. If there are any damages, document it and submit it to the responsible team to assess it for the cause of damage. If there are any question and clarification, please feel free to approach me. Thank you.
We have also here our public information officer for the information plan and updates.
Good morning. For the information of everyone, may I remind not to give unauthorized information to anyone calling you from the outside. This is to prevent unofficial statements that may result to misleading information. And furthermore, this may disrupt our operation. I will be giving the authorized information only during the official scheduled press conference. That's all for now. Thank you.
For our cooperating agencies, we have our license officer, Minister.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. As a liaison officer, we are here to support you alongside with our command staff. We will be providing updates and keep our partners informed to provide logistical resources needed in our operation. Kung kailangan nyo lang po, tawagan nyo lang po ako. God bless everyone.
And we have also here our incident commander for closing comments, Ma'am Demi.
To everyone present here, as we respond to the result of earthquake, Let us remain focused and united in our mission. Let us prioritize life, safety, protect your teams, and maintain coordination in all operations. Your leadership and commitment will make a difference. Take care and God bless us all.
Anything, Source, ma'am? For our next briefing schedule, will be the next day at 600 hours in the morning. Thank you.
Hi. Kala ko TikTok.
Kala ko take 4.
Di ba natin alam? Tayo natin yung naglilista sa likod.
Carry this.
Okay, Isel.
Carry this lang yan.
Saan ba ka matitingnan? Ang daming kamera.
Hanapin dyan, pinakamahal. Yung kaninahan ka mag sa mga
Smile anywhere. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, stop.
One Cordillera.
Hanggang makover.
1 Cordillera.
Okay.
Pag ibalik yung